think it's going to be a bit of a rush. Looking pretty amazing. Right, hello, it is now Wednesday and we've just had a call from a client who we're going to see tomorrow who wants to see some additional paintings. So now we're going to go and check to see if we've got the frames and start making them up. Look at that. That's all three done and looking pretty amazing. Okay, we've successfully, in a very short space of time, done those three paintings, and we've got the two others which are going out tomorrow. Those are wrapped up, and we've put them on and loaded the van, tidied the van, and got everything sorted, which is great. Now, I've got to tidy up the mess, and I have made quite a bit. Yeah, better just do that before I get on. Right, so big panic stations now with less than 2 hours to go. So we're trying to get the compressor figured out to go into the pod for tonight's broadcast. And as I walk past the studio, I'm now on my way to go and get some batteries for a camera because none of the batteries work. And what else am I getting? Oh, some other bits and pieces. And now we've also got a wireless microphone issue. So having to retrofit a lapel mic into the headset mic to try and get that to work because we've got some crackling on one end. I think perhaps it's where the plug goes in. There's a loose wire somewhere, so we can't have that on the broadcast tonight, otherwise it's going to sound terrible. So last minute, we're having to just do all these things all of a sudden. I think it's going to be a bit of a rush getting everything done tonight. Anyway, we'll start here and see how we go. that's a live stream done, another successful one today. It's definitely time for home and I'm not feeling particularly good, so we're both a bit under the weather. But there's no rest for us because tomorrow we're back out with a client. So we'll be off, crack of dawn, to do it all over again.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Dum, 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 dum. Right, good morning everybody. It's now Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday. We're out on the road on a Thursday, which is unusual for us. But we got 2 clients booked today, both around the Coventry, Warwickshire area. So I'll go and pick Adi up and we'll crack on. And we've arrived. Hello. Yes, look, these men have come to put a painting in, haven't they? Hello. It's okay. It's okay. We're professionals. It's okay. Bless. Okay, so that is client number 1 done. 2 lots of paintings on the wall. And now we're on to client number 2. A lovely sunny day. Hello, hello, how are you? We've got to do that. Are you all right? Oh, have you decorated?
Yeah,
Blimey, you've been busy, haven't you? Hey, I like this. This is nice, isn't it? Check you out. There he is. Look, been decorating. Oh, that funky wallpaper, mate. Isn't that lush? I like that. Yeah. I like that. Giving me ideas now from the hallway. Very nice. Well, shall we go and bring it in?
Yeah, I can't wait to say so.
Oh, bless you. Right, we'll go and get it then. Right, here we go. Let's see if we can find a home for Crash Bang Wallop.